Starting a YouTube channel for instant income. In today's digital age, creating a YouTube channel has become a lucrative avenue for generating income right from the start. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up your channel and monetizing your content effectively. Viewers can expect to learn the essential strategies for attracting subscribers, creating engaging content, and maximizing revenue streams. By following these tips, you can unlock the potential of a successful YouTube channel and start earning money from day one. Step 1. Defining your niche and target audience. To kickstart your YouTube channel journey, it's crucial to define your niche and target audience. Research popular niches like beauty, gaming, or cooking to align with your interests and passions. Understanding your target audience demographics, including age, gender, and interests, will help tailor your content to their preferences. By creating videos that resonate with both your niche and audience, you can enhance engagement and attract a loyal following right from the beginning. Step 2. Setting up your YouTube channel. Setting up your YouTube channel is the next crucial step in your journey to monetization. If you don't have one already, create a Google account and sign into YouTube. Click on your profile icon and select your channel to create a new channel. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture that represents your brand, a captivating cover photo, and a channel description that clearly communicates your content focus. These elements will help establish your channel's identity and attract viewers. Step 3. Creating high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is essential for attracting and retaining viewers on your YouTube channel. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup to enhance the overall video quality. Plan your content strategy meticulously by brainstorming engaging video ideas and scripting your content effectively. Editing your videos using professional software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can elevate the production value and give your videos a polished look. By focusing on quality, you can captivate your audience and stand out in the competitive YouTube landscape. Step 4. Optimizing your videos for search engines. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial for increasing visibility and attracting a larger audience to your YouTube channel. Incorporate relevant keywords strategically in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video titles that entice viewers to click and watch your content. Engaging with your audience through comments and video responses not only fosters a sense of community, but also boosts your video's visibility in search results. By implementing these optimization strategies, you can enhance your channel's reach and impact. Step 5. Monetizing your channel. Monetizing your YouTube channel is a rewarding milestone that can turn your passion into profit. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning from your content. Enable monetization features such as ads, channel memberships, and the merchandise shelf to diversify your revenue streams. Additionally, consider promoting affiliate products or securing sponsorships to generate additional income and maximize your channel's earning potential. Step 6. Promoting your channel and engaging with your audience. Promoting your YouTube channel is essential for expanding your reach and building a loyal audience. Share your videos across social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to attract new viewers and drive traffic to your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche for cross-promotion opportunities that can introduce your content to a wider audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, messages, and feedback to foster a sense of community and loyalty among your audience. Conclusion: key points in starting a YouTube channel and making money. Consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are the pillars of success when it comes to starting a YouTube channel and monetizing your content. By consistently creating high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience, you can build a loyal following and attract potential income streams. Encourage viewers to support your channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing your videos to help increase visibility and reach. Thank your viewers for their support and invite them to explore more of your engaging content on your channel.